Hello, AP students. This is Mrs. Politsky, and I have your free response question for Chapter 4. So here we go. We're going to take a look at the following question. Explain how a dancer would make use of each of the following senses in a spring recital. Describe an interaction that might occur between at least two of the senses. And this item is worth roughly 7 points. And I would say this, as always, when we're looking at free response questions, we should kind of define each of the following terms. So we should define vision, hearing, kinesthetic, vestibular, and skin senses. So let's take a look at this first part. When we talk about vision, we're talking about one of our primary senses. So that is our definition there. And as far as the application side of this, in the case of our dancer here, she looks at the other dancers and the stage, as well as the audience, to kind of see what's around her. As far as hearing, hearing is, again, one of the primary senses. We're talking about sound. And hearing would come into play when we talk about listening to the music and also listening probably to the other dancers that are around her. And it could be the sound of the movement. Further on, the kinesthetic sense, that's movement. That's just right to the point. And as far as kinesthetic movement, this is kind of understanding where our body is, and as far as the movement of the body. So it would be helpful for her to feel the correct steps. And as we look at vestibular, that's your balance. And this would help her keep her balance throughout the dance recital so she wouldn't fall down. And then finally, skin senses, that's our sense of touch primarily. And this would be important as she moves around the stage. If she's dancing with a partner, being able to feel the partner, also being able to feel her feet as far as shoes or the costumes. All of this would come into play. And as far as the application of two of these senses, hearing and kinesthesia, often interact as we do hearing and vestibular senses. Vision also interacts with your kinesthetic sense, as movement might be impeded by what is seen. Thank you very much.